Oh, we are real chopper. A whole heap of people will scam you now.
I wonder if it is Jenny calling again. Hello?
Yes, good evening to you, miss. We have an issue here with the account. It will need $200 to sort out.
Okay, well, let me get something to write all this down.
You're not gonna write down nothing.
In a time of technology, when scamming has risen above the law,
Man, how dare you take me for a scammer?
and the criminals are the least expected.
My name is Sergeant Dante Call. Go ahead, punk. Make my day.
I have an offer for you.
Hi, beautiful. Is everything okay here today?
I wonder if everything's okay with my car.
Are you okay, miss?
Okay, who?
Yes, you.
Me?
What?
Me? I?
What?
Car? Ugh.
What car? That girl, your head a squeeze her.
Now chop a line again, brother. I'm done with that.
It has come to my attention that you have been abandoning your right uniform and wearing the Call Guy issued gear. The Call Guy is a special forces unit that is strategically orchestrated to combat the telecommunications of Jamaica against scamming, which you are not qualified for.
Yeah, they on the road, me a big Janak in the zone, but boy them scatter when me step. You don't know, but the real assignment of it pretty. Mother, me a the call guy. That is it, not no prof. No matter, whoa, mother. Hey.
Are you calling from the bank?
Why
Freeze! This is the police!
Me a the call guy.